Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson on self-study Mandarin. Today we are going to unlock a very important tool for your Chinese conversations. We are going to master the words 会 and 不会. By the end of this session, you will be able to clearly express the skills and talents you have worked hard to acquire. What is 会? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is 会? In HSK1, or beginner Chinese, this is an essential modal verb. Its primary function is to talk about things you know how to do because you learned them. This distinction is very important. In English, we use the word can for many different things, but in Chinese, 会 is specifically for skills that require study or practice to master. Core grammar definition. Let's look at the structure. It is quite simple. To say you can or know how to do something, you simply use 会 followed by the verb. On the flip side, if you want to say you cannot or don't know how to do something, you use the negative form, 不会 followed by the verb. Please keep in mind the learned skill rule. We use this for things like speaking a language, cooking a meal, or driving a car. We generally do not use this for innate abilities, things your body does naturally without lessons, like breathing or seeing. Scenario 1, affirmative statements. Let's see this in action with Scenario 1. You can do it. Imagine you have studied or practiced a skill and now you possess it. For example, look at this sentence. My dad can drive. In Chinese, we say, 我爸爸会开车. Because driving is a skill that must be learned, we use 会. Here is another example to show off a mastered skill. He can write his name. 他会写他的名字. Again, writing characters is a learned skill, so 会 is the perfect fit here. Scenario 2, negative statements. Now let's move to Scenario 2. What if you haven't learned the skill yet? You simply add 不 before 会. For example, I cannot cook Chinese food. 我不会做中国菜. This implies you haven't studied the recipes or techniques yet. Here is another example. Don't worry if you can't do something. Practice makes perfect. 那个学生不会说汉语. That student cannot speak Chinese. Scenario 3, asking questions. Scenario 3 is about asking others about their skills. How do we confirm if someone knows how to do something? You keep the sentence structure the same, but add the question particle, ma, at the very end. For instance, to ask if your mom can cook, you say, 你妈妈会做饭吗? Key tips for learners. Before we finish, I have some crucial tips to help you sound natural. First, let's talk about the placement of not. The negation always comes before the word 会. It is always 不会. You should never put the not before the verb itself. Never say 不学会 in this context. Second, pay attention to the tone changes. This is the secret tone rule. Normally, if the character for no is a fourth tone, 不. However, 会 is also a fourth tone. In Chinese, when a fourth tone meets another fourth tone, the first one changes to a second tone, a rising tone, to make it easier to say. So instead of saying 不会, which sounds choppy, we say 不会. It flows much better. Summary. To wrap everything up, let's look at our quick sentence cheat sheet. Affirmative, subject plus 会 plus verb. Example, 我会说汉语. I can speak Chinese. Negative, subject plus 不会 plus verb. Example, 他不会做饭. He doesn't know how to cook. Interrogative or question, subject plus 会 plus verb plus ma. Example, 你会写汉字吗? Can you write Chinese characters? Great job today. Now go out there and practice telling people what skills you have mastered.
我会写汉字。我会写汉字。
那些字很漂亮。那些字很漂亮。
哥哥会说汉语。哥哥会说汉语。
他说得很好。他说得很好。
姐姐会做鱼。姐姐会做鱼。
鱼非常好吃。鱼非常好吃。
我会打篮球。我会打篮球。
我们一起玩。我们一起玩。
爸爸会开车。爸爸会开车。
他的车很快。他的车很快。
弟弟会游泳。弟弟会游泳。
他很喜欢水。他很喜欢水。
妈妈会唱歌。妈妈会唱歌。
他爱听新歌。他爱听新歌。
我不会做饭。我不会做饭。
我们去饭馆吃。我们去饭馆吃。
他不会踢足球。他不会踢足球。
没关系，我也不会。没关系，我也不会。
妹妹不会跳舞。妹妹不会跳舞。
他可以学习。他可以学习。
我不会说英语。我不会说英语。
我帮你学习。我帮你学习。
小猫不会说话。小猫不会说话。
它只会叫。它只会叫。
它不会用电脑。它不会用电脑。
我们可以教它。我们可以教它。
我不会写这个字。我不会写这个字。
你看那本书。你看那本书。
你会读这本书吗？你会读这本书吗？
我会读一点儿。我会读一点儿。
你会做中国菜吗？你会做中国菜吗？
我只会做面条。我只会做面条。
你女儿会画画吗？你女儿会画画吗？
她很爱画画。她很爱画画。
明天会下雨吗？明天会下雨吗？
天气会很好。天气会很好。
你会喝茶吗？你会喝茶吗？
我不喝茶，谢谢。我不喝茶，谢谢。
王先生会来吗？王先生会来吗？
他生病了，不会来。他生病了，不会来。
你的狗会跑吗？你的狗会跑吗？
他跑得非常快。他跑得非常快。
Exercises.
Answer.